Imagine you're a business owner who uses Zoho Inventory. You will have several clients who owe you money and you will want to send them payment reminders via SMS to expedite the payment process. Using the Click Send SMS feature in Zoho Inventory, you can send SMS regarding payment links, customer statements, invoice details, payment reminders, and thank you messages to your customers and their contact persons. In this video, we will cover the following topics. Let's get started. First, let's install the ClickSend SMS extension from Zoho Marketplace. Go to marketplace.zoho.com. Here, you will find many ready-to-use extensions. Search for ClickSend SMS for Zoho Inventory in the search bar. In the page that follows, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. In the pop-up that appears, read and agree to the terms and conditions of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Select the organization for which you would like to install the extension. Then, read and agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. Now, you will need to authorize your Zoho Finance Suite connection. To do this, hover the cursor over Click Send SMS Zoho Finance card and click Connect. Enter the authentication credentials and click Connect. Now, hover the cursor over Zoho Finance Click Send SMS card and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app. Therefore, click Accept. Then click Next. Select the medium through which you want to send SMS from the Send SMS from drop-down. Select Shared Number if you want to send SMS using the number provided by Click Send SMS. This is the default option set by Click Send for sending SMS. Select the mobile number if you want to send SMS from your mobile number, or select business name if you want to use your business name as the sender ID. Note that the mobile number and business name options are available only in certain countries. Then click Install Extension. That's it. You have successfully installed the ClickSend SMS extension in your organization. You can also install the extension from Zoho Inventory. Go to Settings and click Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Here, search for the ClickSend SMS extension and install it. To send SMS to your customers, you will have to create and add ClickSend SMS template to the extension. Let's see how to create the template. Select ClickSend SMS templates. Click Create ClickSend SMS template. Enter the template name. Select the module in which you want to use this template from the module drop-down. Enter the message if you want. This message will be populated automatically while you select this template to SMS your customers. Check this box if you want to associate this template by default. Please note that if you create another template and set it as the default, the current default template will be automatically marked as non-default. And click Save. You can now use this template to send SMS regarding your transactions. Now, let's send SMS to your customers using the ClickSend extension. Go to Sales and select Invoices or Customers. For the purpose of this video, let's select Invoices. Select an invoice and click Send SMS at the top. Kindly note that if you have installed more than one extension, you can click the drop-down next to the extension and select Send SMS from the drop-down. In the pop-up that appears, select the medium using which you want to send the SMS to your customers. Based on the customer's details in the invoice, the to field will get auto-populated. Choose the template that you want to use. If you have configured the message while creating the template, then the message will automatically be populated. You can edit or create a new template by clicking the plus button next to the Choose Template field. Then click Send. In the Click Send SMS History module, you can view a list of SMS sent to your customers. You can view this information in the ClickSend portal as well. Let's see how to uninstall the ClickSend extension. If at any point you wish to uninstall the extension, go to Settings and select Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Click Install the extensions next to all extensions. Click View Details below the Click Send SMS extension card. Click Uninstall at the top right corner. You will no longer be able to send SMS to your customer using this extension. Once you uninstall the Click Send SMS extension, the Click Send template and history will be permanently deleted from your Zoho Inventory organization. They will not be available even if you reinstall the extension. And that's a wrap for our video. Thanks for watching.